Tell me about your hair.
Well,
I love it right now.
thank you. I'm trying. It's been difficult. Like it really just gets in my face. I'm really just trying to go for like that wolf cut, like bang shag look to it. I just like love that look.
More extremism in the...
Yeah, like very much so, like more volume, like up here, because it just gets like very, very dead. Like back here, like there's no
feeling
sense of
flat.
curls. Yes, and just kind of like bang, like right here. Like there was someone that you did that was like
I already know exactly who you're gonna pull up. Yep.
She is.
Amelie?
I mean, it just looked.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's up, Amelie?
So I mean, it just like when I saw it, like I even showed like all my coworkers, like this is what I want. I was like looking through them, like this is exactly what.
Awesome.
I want. So yeah, but
yeah,
she will. Wow. Just like wow. I don't know what you did, what magic you did. What you guys did.
It's pretty freestyle. Very custom to her texture. Similar. We could definitely do something that's going to be in your zone. I think what she's got on you, and I'm curious if you're trying to get there as well. Are you trying to get this longer?
Yes.
Okay. Her length definitely adds to the visual extremism, because it's like real short, connect all the way down. Are you trying to get this longer?
Yes.
Okay. Her length definitely adds to the visual extremism, because it's like real short, connect all the way down. So that's something that you might feel like you're missing today at the moment, but we'll get you set up. You'll get the length here much quicker than you would anywhere else. So our idea is that we're going to keep that, but then we're just going to go to town up here, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome. Your hair looks incredibly healthy.
Thank you.
How long have you been trying to grow it out?
It's been, I think I just reached a year.
How long you want to get those ends?
Honestly, maybe to her. Like I see it, it's just like so naturally beautiful, like fluctuation throughout all the ends. It's just really gorgeous.
I think she's done some, like how she styles it. I love how she styles it. We styled it in here, it came out great too. But she has her like way to like really bring out what I put the cut on, and it's so much fun. Any other issues with your hair? I mean, it sounds like you're like, you know what you want for the cut. Do you use product currently, like styling products?
Not like associated with.
We're gonna fuck this shit up. That's what we're gonna do. You use product currently, like styling products?
Not like associated with curls. It's kind of just like for all hair types.
Okay.
Just like use it. But a problem that I do have is like back here, it just like
feeling flat.
Yeah, very, very flat.
Okay.
Like it just doesn't have.
This cut is definitely going to make that probably impossible to be flat. But first time together, so I don't necessarily know your hair. I don't know exactly how it's going to react. Got some ideas, but might be some things that you'll need to do when you're like wanting your hair to look like that. You might need to like get the diffuser out. You might need to pop some stuff in there beforehand and like get it set up. Is that something you're okay with doing?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Do you currently ever like put any products in your hair and like do it differently than how you have it now, or is this kind of the go-to?
Mostly just like shampoo, conditioner, the hair mask, but that's pretty much it.
Minimal.
Yeah.
I personally like that because that keeps your hair healthier. The less you do to it, the better. Again, just to reiterate, it isn't gonna appear exactly the same because we're missing this.
Yes.
That's a big one. So this is gonna be the baby version of it.
She don't do that no more. Don't even listen to the songs I record. But she be banging that Drake in my car. I'm so far gone. She stay blasting Trey and his songs. It's like she never heard of me. Now every time somebody asks me if I sing songs to get my women, I say no, they say, okay, I don't believe it. I say no, I swear I never do it. And every time a nigga asks if I sing songs to get at women, I say no, he say, who do you think you kidding? I know you stole my girlfriend. Yeah, fair enough. See, I just don't play fair, but it's fair enough, cause your girl broke my heart. She don't do the songs I record. But she be banging that Drake in my car. I'm so far gone. She stay blasting Trey and his songs. It's like she never heard of me, heard of me. Now every time somebody asks if I sing songs to get my